Now let's add our first blog post. So from online store, go to blog posts and click create blog post. Here you can work on your first post. So a blog post title and also blog post content goes here. Make sure to specify that it will be visible post. Featured image on the list of all of the posts. This will be like a thumbnail for the post. So I will add a new image and also SEO optimize it. So add alt tag. Simply click on update and edit image. Here you will be able to add alt tag and click save. And here simply add Google snippet. So edit Google snippet. You can edit excerpts. So for example, if the blog allows excerpts, so you can put a simple, like a summary of the blog post that will be displayed on the blog page. You can edit the author if you've got few contributors, and you can edit which blog does it go if you've got a few different blogs, and obviously add tags as well that describe the content to make it easier to find when someone is searching your website. Once ready, simply click save.